What's going on, boys? It is your boy Ponchito 100 back for another video. You know, it's been a long time coming, but you know what they say, right? The longer the better. Longer the wait, the better the comeback is. And I'm back. And today's episode, today's video I'll be doing a Pokemon card opening. And let's do it. I'm fucking excited. This is the new one. It came out Crowns, and when I saw it, I knew I had to get it. This shit open. Hey, flip it. I don't even think it matters. Y'all see it here. Here we go. All the Pokemon we could get, bro. And we got the opening, bro. Sheesh. This is the fucking Elite Trainer Box Plus. I was gonna get the Elite Trainer Box, but like I gotta get the Plus, bro. More packs to open. It's like a. Oh, hold on your fucking phone, bro. It's like, look at all this shit, bro. Look at all this. Look at all this shit. It's a card. One of my favorite Pokemon. That's why I got it. V-Star holder. They got sleeves though. We got. Oh, the promo card. Lucario V. If y'all don't know if y'all see it. Alright, boys, let's start the pack opening, bro. Y'all see this shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe. I think I fucked it up, but it's something like around there. So you see, we got that. I don't know how I do this shit, but it's always do. Oh, we got a Leafeon. Nice. Look at that shit. Oh, we got bro, I already got like, oh, Matang. Oh, shit. Look at all this, bro. I got a Leafeon. That's the first one. First one done. Got Leafeon, bro. Second one, let's go. I think I'm just open it and look at myself and then just show y'all what I get. Fire, energy. I don't know. Krokorok. Latana. We got Scyther, Ariolu, what is it? Yongoose, Cherubi, Starly. Yo! We just got fucking Darkrai, boys. Yo, this one goes for like $100, I think. This was a fucking. Yo, that's a W. That's a W in the chat, boys. Yo. I don't know how much this one goes for, bro. This one probably goes for a lot. Psychic Energy. Larion. Oh, shit, that too. Friends in Sinnoh. What is it? Gloom. Oddish. Seal. Potion. Corfish, Aron, Miltank, and then Snorlax. They got this to me for like 4 days after I ordered it. In Target, I got the Pokemon cards from Target. They took me like, I don't even know, like 2 weeks down here. It was bad from Target. So we got Water Energy, we got Shaman, a fucking hammer. We got Dusclops, Pokeball, Corfish, Oddish, Steel, Cricket, Scyther, and a Hollow. What the heck? A Hollow Fire Energy. I've never seen one like that. That's pretty cool, honestly. Sazzle. Only the female version can evolve. Dusclops. What's this? Matang, man. I don't know. I can see it. Pioneer. Seal. Rockruff. Aron. Riolu. I don't think I can flip the camera, boys. Matang. Yeah, energy transfer, energy switch, croc rock. What is it? Wooloo. Heavily tile, Panchone, switch, snow run, hollow energy. Yo, I got 2 mil tanks. What the? I see that 2 mil tanks. I got this dark right V star. Full out. That shit's fun. That's one of the ones I might get. Larion. Oh shit, I did it wrong. Aaron, Riolu, I'm gonna switch. Starly, Sether, what was it? Emolga. Oh, ooh, full out Riolu and another Nestle. I'm gonna see how much the dark ride's worth. That might have made my whole money back. Soul Rock, Corfish, Oddish, Seal, Guitar. Bro, I ain't getting shit. What the heck? Look like a signature on it. Look at that shit. Signature, bro. The heck, I think it must have been count, huh? I don't even know, bro. Oh, Growlers. A Growler. What the fuck? Oh, see, I think they count on some shit. Poniard, the wall. What the heck? What the? I don't know, bro. I did something wrong. Down to our last 2 packs, boys and girls. I know some females that have crushes on me that be watching me, bro. I know that's for a fact. But she got crushes on me and they watching my videos, so leave a comment if you do, bro. Those squaps, alright. I don't know what I did wrong. But see, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Bro, I'm not getting shit from this, bro. Bro, I don't want some Mr. Ryan, bro. No one wants some Mr. Ryan, bro. I mean, look, you can't piss me off. I bet money on this shit. Can I get good shit, bro? Like, come on. Alright, last pack. Okay, kind of disappointing, bro. You really get a lot of shit from this shit. Alright, last pack opening, boys. Last pack of the opening. Hopefully I get some good shit. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my god. I spent $70 on this shit and I got nothing, bro. This is what I got from my last pack, bro. Hey, yo, but these are fire though. This shit heavy, bro. This shit is heavy. I don't really pay like the game like that. But that's like gasté dinero way. Like I spent money on this shit, bro. Somebody put like the fucking all these Pokemon cards in here. I'm not in a position. So yeah, I might have some cool Pokemon, honestly. Cause there be some hitters that don't be like hollow and shit. There be some cool ass Pokemon. I thought I got scammed, but I fucking looked like a pack inside. So alright, boys, let's review what I got. I got a Leafeon. This is my big hitter. This fool right here. My big hitter, Darkrai V-Star. That's my big hitter. We got like a full like trainers. No, got what the fuck? Like they're like autographs. I don't know how much that's worth, bro. See, look, all these are autographs. I want to do a pack opening for like a long ass time. This might be the wrap up the video. I think I'll leave that live open for a bit, but the video's over. Thank you for watching. Sorry for being active. I'll try to be more active. But hey, see y'all next time. Adios.